Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another sofa set. Another word I'm using because I've shown you more than 80 to 90 sets, actual units in YouTube, and one more is now added. This one is going to New Zealand. It's a three-seater plus two-seater along with a table. Everything as per the client's choice. She liked something, she picked a picture from somewhere, sent it to us, and we created it. We are craftsmen, we are artisans, so we make what you like. We have a huge range of designs. In fact, design we are not limited to. You pick design from anywhere, and if it's in carving, we can make it for you, just like the one sitting right here. It's a three-seater that you see here. The sizes are a little different. The curves that we have on the handles that requires more space. So the set three-seater is 90 inches outer, 90. That is around 12 inches, 1 feet more than regular three-seaters we have. Regular sofas are around 78, 6.5 feet. This one is 97.5 feet outer. Front to back, this is 2.5 feet, 30 inches. Back height is 50 inches, a little more than 4 feet. The Taj work that is it has, the higher back, and that's why we have to get a little more height than the regular sofas. The design as such you're looking at is a completely carved unit from the front. The handle parts you see very heavy carving on the front area, a straight strip with nice heavy carving work, a lot like Victorian design, and then the heavy straight back as you see. Most of our sofas are wing type designs where you see wings on the sides. This doesn't have a wing, it's a straight back, and similarly a two-seater. The two-seater out and out is 6 feet, 1 feet more than regular two-seaters, rest 30 inches and 50 inches, dimensions are same. It's in teak wood, light walnut finish, as the client required. The fabric is chosen by the client herself. Everything that you see that we make is as per your choice. Customization is the most difficult thing because it requires a lot of time to understand the requirement and make it according to your requirement. Regular units, we can make 10-20 designs and we can repeat it over. Just like you go to a nearest showroom, you find something there, you pick it from there and you get it to your place. But if you have some particular choice, these type of units are not made every day. These are not the type of furniture you can pick now and 4 years, 5 years down the line you get something new. These are kept for long time. They are durable units, stylish, heavy looking Victorian style, elegant designs. And when you get something like this, if you get something of your own choice, that's the best part. And that's what we are working on. The design as such altogether you see is a different from what we have shown earlier, and every day we are making new units. The cushion here is 40 density, that is not too hard, not too soft, so it gives a comfortable sitting position. The best part is when you're sitting on it, if the cushion is too soft, you tend to get inside the cushion. If the cushion is too hard, you don't get the feeling of a cushion. I'm sitting here, you can see my knees are straight, and if I want to get up, it's not too much pressure on my knees. If the cushion is too soft, you get right inside the unit, your knees are bent, and you require a lot of effort to get up. That's why we use 40 density cushion. But again, that's the choice part. If you're looking for something else, let us know, we'll make that for you. Not a question, we make it as per your choice and requirement. Now the design part I've shown you, the side angles, the curves, the front part and everything. This is in single side carving. So the back is plain as the client required. And the design as such, I'll show you the back also. It's a heavy unit. The back is plain, but again, it's very beautifully finished on the back. So even if it's getting in open, there'll be no issues in that. Now let me show you the table for this one, a nicely crafted table that works along with this set. The design is quite similar. Again, the client's choice. She picked the picture, send it, and we made it. The size is 4 feet by 30 inches, and it has got a drawer in front, a big spacious drawer. I moved it to this side to show you. You can keep it to the other side. So when you're sitting on the sofa, you can open it right from there. So you can keep some dry fruit, some material for the tea, high tea, right inside it. And whenever someone comes, you open it, pick it from here, and put it on the table. It has got space here, so you want to keep some newspapers or some books readily to pick up readily. You can keep it here, and the drawer is here. The same design that you see in the drawer here is on the other side. So it's same from both the sides. The other side we don't have a drawer because this one is quite a big and deep drawer. So just like the drawer you have on the front, similar design we have on the other side. But this is not a drawer, this is a fixed design. So it looks same from both the sides. If you want to add chairs along with this, or you want to add an open back settee or divan, that's again your choice. This is what the client wanted. We created this much only. This one is going to New Zealand. We deliver everywhere across India. We deliver outside India also. You can contact us and we'll let you know how this works. For prices, you can visit our website, arsonwoods.com. There is section for everything. You can check what you like, the designs, the artwork, the colors, the material, and we will make it as per your choice and requirement. If you want to see more videos and we check what else we have done, you can go on YouTube and type Arson. You will find more than 550 videos there for the actual stuff we have made. For the client reviews and testimonials, you can visit our website. There's a long list of testimonials, people who have received the stuff, who have liked the stuff and sent the pictures after they have received it, and they're happy with the furniture. To know more about us, you can check our website, the work we have done, and if you have any question, your feedback, your suggestion, please let us know. We'll be happy to hear from you. The number is here, the contact details are here, and if you like our work, please put in a like or a comment. We'll be really happy and appreciate your effort if you put a small like or a comment. Hope for some comments. Thank you so much.